Alright, what's up everybody? This is Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas Realtor, bringing you another property tour. So today we are here in Blackstone, the community by Pardee, out here in North Las Vegas. And we're going to be touring this beautiful modern home here. Now this is actually the Plan 2 model. Let me just kind of show you this community real quick here. This is a gated community, okay? Wow, I don't know why my camera's all crooked. I need to adjust my camera here. I don't know what is going on. Okay, it looks like, here we go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Still, I don't know why is it doing that, but... Alright, so on this one right here, on this Plan 2, this one is 3,197 square feet. It is a 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, great room, den, loft, and a 2-car garage. The asking price, or the starting price, is $486,500. Okay, as you can see, we have a nice garage door, 8-foot panel door, and we got some people that we're gonna follow.
Yeah, you wanna follow?
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
We're gonna be on TV tomorrow.
That's right. You guys are gonna be famous. All right, as you can see, some stonework.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Chakits.
Yeah, I saw you many
Oh,
videos.
that's my girl, Simply Vegas. She's very good at what she does.
Oh, yeah, we're the best.
All right, I'll let you guys go.
I like this dozen of times.
Say hi from the little Russian.
Well, we do. Okay, so as you can see, we got some stone pavers here. Okay, I'm gonna kind of give them a little bit more time. Matter of fact, you know what we're gonna do is cut this. We're gonna cut this real quick, and I want us to have some more privacy. So we're gonna go to this right here. We're gonna go to elevation A. We're gonna go to the smallest one right here. This one is 2,571 square feet. Well, I do like this. This is more of that Spanish style here. So this one is 2,571 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, great room, den, 2-car garage with some extra storage. And this one right here, the base price is $447,000. Now you do have an option, 4th bedroom in lieu of the den. All right, let's go inside. So you do have some pavers here. Okay, 8-foot garage door. And wow, love the texture here, this smooth plaster look. Love that. Love the two-tone. You got the texture. As you can see, this one is painted very heavily, sprayed on very lightly on this one, so it kind of gives you that two-tone look, which is really nice. And I love how they integrated this. This is really nice. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, take a look at the pavers. Look at the style of the pavers here. Love the paver style. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, let's go inside. So you got the ring doorbell that comes with it. You got the lime green door. Ooh, thank God it is nice and cool in here. So with Pardee, it does come with the smart home package deal, which is I do love, which is, oh, look how nice and open this thing is. Gorgeous. Hey, let me call you back. I'm doing a video. I gotta go. Bye-bye. Sorry about that, guys. It seems like we are getting fully disturbed. So unprofessional of me. Ooh, look how gorgeous this thing is. Oh my gosh. I love how large this island is. I guarantee this island is a upgrade. No seams too as well. Look at that. No seams, just a solid piece. But you need to double check to make sure if you did this full island here, is it going to be one piece or you're going to have a seam? Got the full overlay cabinet with the white cabinets here. Nice hardware. Wow, look at all this cabinet space. Let's see what kind of cabinets they upgraded on here. Okay. Got the metal cabinet. Let's see if they got any pull-out pot drawers. All standard. Okay. Look at this backsplash. Definitely this backsplash right here is going to be a problem, so you might as well get this thing sealed. Love the 40 upper cabinets, 42 upper cabinets. This is gorgeous. Refrigerator's not included. We know it comes with GE appliances. You got your conventional microwave, and also you got your oven too as well. This is really nice. Wow, this is just so like nice and open. I love this. You got your 12-foot vinyl slide. It does open up in the middle, so it's not a pocket door. Let me know in the comments below. You do have the option where it slides all the way open, I believe, on this model. Or do you prefer it just opens up in the middle? I think that one right there is standard. Also, right over here in the dining area, you can also do your 6-foot slide too, I believe, on here, as far as an upgrade. Pendants here, 3-pendant lighting is an upgrade. Now, quick tip I want to show you. Because as big as this island is, if you do a pre-wire for your pendant lighting, which is, I would highly recommend that you do that, but you also already have to pre-thought out what pendant lighting you're going to use. Because on this 3-pendant lighting, these bulbs are a lot bigger, so it looks really equal for the island. If you did like a more of a modern streamlined sink that kind of sinks in with each other, right? It's going to look very small, okay? That's why it's important. If you're going to do more of a thin, right, bulb or light, whatever you want to call the fixture, you're probably going to need 4, okay? Or you may have one fixture that you love that only has one centerpiece, but it has a rail that goes all the way across. Then it drops down with 4 lights. So you would save money and you would get rid of these pre-wire. Just something to think about. You got some vinyl windows. They are the almond color. You may have the option to do the bright white depending on the builder. The covers, the blinds, I'd probably get the blinds on your own because you have more options versus going through the builder. What do we got here? We got some storage. Okay. Now let's go over here, the master. For some apparent reason, I thought there was 2 stories. I was about to say, hey, let's go upstairs. Oh, I love those blinds. I love this accent wall right here with the 2x1s here. It's just so creative how you can just throw pieces of wood, right? Paint it up, get the accent look. Even like these beams right here. These are actually faux beams. They're not even like solid beams. Love the window here. Okay, let's go here. Tub, shower, all standard. Aquatech is the builder, or actually the manufacturer for this. You got your toilet. Then your walk-in closet with the upgrade. Okay, nice. $450, I believe, on this door. Should be on double sides. You do have an option to do one side or double side. I mean, if you're gonna do it, do the double side. Let me take a look at myself. Oh, let me show you something real quickly. Take a look at this right here. Bam! Look at this. Curtis and Cole. Luxury watch. Look at this. Want to give a quick shout out to them for sending this on over. Really do appreciate it. Much love. I mean, here's the thing. As this channel is growing, you do have some trolls, right? And you have people that want to see you win. This is one of the people that want to see me win. So I just want to say, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You don't get that, man. It's like sometimes when you supersede your expectations or you have big goals and you're working hard, you're pushing hard, what tends to happen is the people around you, self-consciously, they don't want you to win, right? Now, that's not everybody, but that's what I've noticed, okay? And you can't surround yourself with people like that. You want to be around people that want to see you win. Because you don't want people dragging you down. So if you're always constantly talking about negativity and stuff like that, and things don't go my way, you can't think like that. You always got to push forward. Now, do I have those thoughts in my mind every once in a while? Yeah, I do. But you know what? I keep pushing forward. Because every little inch that you push forward, you may not see results now, but in the long run, you end up seeing the results because it adds up. 2-car garage, tandem, extra storage space. Man, it looks like they got some extra filters, cook countertops, some paint. I'm gonna take my truck, we're gonna back it up in here, we're gonna load all this up. Now, I'm just kidding, I'm just trying to have some fun with you guys. All right, so it looks like we have our breaker box here for the main breaker box. You do have your Rainbird, which is with Amazon. You do have an option to install a device where you can actually control everything through Wi-Fi. Here is your main line. It looks like 1.5 inches here. Here's your regulation valve. This right here looks like it will be connected to something. Oh, this is actually your drain line. I'm not too sure what that is for. Right above here, this is your condensation line on your primary. Some builders are now adding this here in front of the door. The reason why is so that way, if you're coming in and out of your garage, you see some water spots, you know, danger, danger, something's wrong with the AC. But I'm sorry, it's not your primary, it's your secondary. What happens is your primary has to do with your AC unit. Your secondary is actually a pan that's underneath. So if that secondary starts to drain, that's letting you know your primary pan that's inside your AC unit is being clogged or something is happening. You got your half bath. Again, you got your Petrofina, or actually your quartz, I'm sorry. Then you got your Garber toilet. Then we have a laundry room here. Now with Pardee actually has an account with Amazon. So once you close out on this deal, what's going to happen is you're going to have an Amazon rep that comes out here that gives you that Echo device for the Alexa. Right? So that way you can connect your smart home device. Attic access. So quick tip, when you see the doors here or your attic access, when it's dirty like that, that tells you that people have been inside the attic, probably because they had to service the AC unit. It doesn't mean there's something wrong, but that's just to let you know, like, they've been in there for a reason. So that's just a quick tip for today, especially if you are dealing with a resale. Wow, we have all this much more room. Oh my gosh. I thought this was a smaller house, but no. Wow, this is pretty nice. Loving it. All right, let's go back in here. Okay, so we're gonna go down this hallway down here. We got 2 more bedrooms. Wow. Look at that propel. Did I say propel? Wow. I mean propeller. Wow, I love the windows here on this side. Nothing interesting about this room, just a standard room with the queen size. The only thing I like is these windows right here. This is gorgeous. Coming into the, what, 3rd, 4th room? Who even knows? I can't even count already. Did so many video tours. If you guys want more information, click on the link in the description below. Go ahead and reach on out to us. If you do use our lender, I don't know how long this offer is good for, but you get $8,000 towards closing costs. With Pardee, they typically use a tri-point. You got your thermostat here. Bathroom, definitely upgraded on the sink. Check the vanity, maybe an upgrade for 36 to a 42. And also love the tub shower combo. Okay. Now here's the texture right here, orange peel, straight edge on the cornering. Interesting. You got the full beams coming across. Oh, we didn't go outside yet. You know what? We gotta go outside. And the reason why I didn't go outside because it was just too hot. They did a good job of, I don't like those vinyl doors. They're very heavy and very sticky. They don't like glide smooth. Got the doggy door. Let's take a look here. Lot size is probably about a good 6,500 square feet on the lot size here. You do have your gas outlet here too as well, which is nice. Now keep in mind, according to code, they would never put the gas inside or underneath the covered patio. Alright, let's go finish up this video tour. Go ahead and comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are about this property. Do you think it is worth the asking price? Can you see yourself living here? Do you think this is the best floor plan? If you do not have a realtor, we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. Also, one thing I do want to disclose. Now, if you call me and you leave a message, I don't get back to you right away, but one of my agents gets back to you, it's okay. That's their job. Each agent is trained under me. They do there's a format that they do, okay? So I just had somebody call me, and they got very upset because I didn't call them right back, but one of my agents contacted them right back. And I understand. If you want to work with me personally, all you got to do is tell one of my agents, hey, I want to speak to Chakits directly, and I just want to work with him directly. Don't worry about that. We'll service you. But however, I can't call you guys right away, but I'd love to answer the phone right away. But look, I'm always out in the field, right? Making videos, making content for you guys. So that's the reason why our agents answers the phone or gives you a call. Well, anyway, other than that, I got to get out of here. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.